Now in the next part we have complete the table and by inspection find the solution to the given equation z by 3 is equals to 4 using the table. So what we have here the equation is different, which is z by 3 is equals to 4. Again we have to fill up the table by putting the value of z over here. And then finally we will have to check whether we are in which number, after putting in which number you are getting 4. So here first one is z by 3. Now putting 8 in place of z. So z is equals to 8. Now here z by 3 is there. So z by 3 means 8 divided by 3. Now if you this is improper fraction, you can convert it into mixed fraction or you can convert it into decimal. So here 3 2s are 6. So we are getting 2 by 3, which is given. So this is not the solution of the given equation, as on the right hand side 4 is there. Okay. Now putting 9 in place of z. So z is equals to 9. So z by 3 will be 9 by 3, which is 3. So here 3 is there. This is not the solution again because on the right side 4 is there. Now we'll put 10 here. So if you put 10 here, so z by 3 will be 10 by 3. So if you divide this, 3 3s are 9, which is 3 1 by 3, it's given. Now we'll put 11 here in place of z. So z is equals to 11. So z by 3 is equals to 11 by 3. So it will be 3 3s are 9. So 2 by 3. So we'll write 3 2 by 3. Let us check. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. So here we have 11 by 3. Now we'll put 12 in place of z. So z is equals to 12 now. So if you put 12, then z by 3 will be 12 by 3, which is 4. So here we will put 4. Now we will put z is equals to 13. As next we have 13 here. So here we will put z is equals to 13. So z by 3 will be 13 by 3. Right? This. So we'll get 3 3s are 9. So it will be 3 3s are 9. So it will be 4. So 3 4 by 3. So we will get we will write here 3 4 by 3. 3 4 by 3 means 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13 by 3. See here 13 by 3. So now we have z is equals to 14. So we'll put here. So 14 by 3 is how much? Here z by 3 is equals to 14 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So here we will get 4 2 by 3. So 4 2 by 3 means 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Now we will put z is equals to 15. Now if you put z 15, so in place of z it will be 15 by 3, which is 5. 3 5s are 15. So here we will put 5. Now next we have 16. So we will put 16 in place of z. So z by 3 will be 16 by 3. So 16 by 3 will be 3 5s are 15. So it will be 5 1 by 3. So here 5 1 by 3. Now let us take 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Here we have 16 by 3. Now after this we have 4 blank given. And as these are all our counting numbers, so after 16 we'll write 17, 18, 19, 20. So we will put 17 in place of z now. So z is equals to 17. Now z by 3 will be 17 by 3, which is 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So here we will have 2. So 5 2 by 3. So we will put 5 2 by 3 here. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. See here 17 by 3. Now next we have z is equals to 18. So z by 3 will be 18 by 3. So which is 6. So here we will put 6. Now z is equals to 19. So z by 3 will be 19 by 3. So it will be 3 6 are 18. So it will be 6 1 by 3. So here we will write 6 1 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 9. 18 plus 1 19. So we have 19 by 3. And finally we will put z is equals to 20. So z by 3 will be 20 by 3. So it will be 3 6 are 18. So it's 6 2 by 3. Okay. Now we will have to find the solution. Here, so we will check that when we are getting 4. Like see, if you we have started putting from here. Now see where we have got 4. See here we have got 4. That means when z is equals to 12, that time we are getting z is equals to, at that time we are getting this, the value which is on the right hand side. That means z is equals to 12. This is the solution of the given equation. So this was C part. Next come to the D part.